Do you wish you could be in a photo that you weren't originally in? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add yourselves to any photo, so you can be in any place in the world in just a couple of minutes. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. The process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices, and you first want to open the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then download an application called Snapseed. This app is absolutely free, and I'm going to leave download link in the description of this video. I'm going to open the app, and then let's create a new project by tapping on this button right here. This will open our photo gallery, and we will first add the photo in which we want to be. I want to place myself in front of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, and I'm going to add this cool picture. It's now time to add ourselves, or any other person you want, it doesn't matter. In order to do that, I'm going to select the Tools option at the bottom, and that's going to show me all of these different tools. Scroll a bit down until you find this double exposure tool right here, and when I click on this, I'm going to be in the double exposure mode. Tap on the little image icon at the bottom, which will then open our camera roll or photo gallery, where our job is to select the photo of ourselves. You can see that we now have 2 photos in the editor, and I'm going to pinch with my fingers in order to make the person smaller. Then position the person anywhere you want in your photo, and I'm going to put myself at the right side, just next to the Eiffel Tower. The next step is to increase the opacity of our photo, so click here. Then slide this slider all the way to the right side. There is one more thing that we need to do, and that is to cut out the person from the second photo, and we can do that by tapping on this button at the top, then view edits. We will then tap on this double exposure layer. Then select this brush tool right here. Now follow my steps carefully because they're pretty important. We will tap on this little invert option in order to see the second photo where our person is. And now, you just have to brush over the person in order to make a selection, or a cutout of the person. The part which you brush will be left in our final photo, so we just have to brush over the person. After you make your selection, you can tap on the invert option one more time, and then check out how your photo looks like. You probably made some imperfections while brushing, and you can correct that by setting the value of your brush to 0. So tap on this little arrow. The value is now at 0%, so you can just start brushing over your parts that are unnecessary. Take your time here and make the selection perfect. If you brush too much, you can increase the brush value back at a 100% in order to correct it. So just go back and forth until your selection is perfect. And if you're finished, just tap on the little check mark option, and that's it. I'll tap on the arrow at the top left and my edit will be saved. Let's save our photo to the photo gallery. Just tap on the export option right here, then export one more time, and that's it. That is how we can add a person to any photo. If this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.